Hello guys, welcome back to Jameka, and today we are going to be opening up something what I've been waiting for. Well, I wasn't even waiting for it. I didn't even know that I was getting this, but I just felt like y'all should see that I was just like, so let's just get into the video. Before we get into this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to tell your friend, to tell that friend, to tell that friend to join this nation, because we're doing big things over here and we're about to be doing big things. Okay, so I hope that y'all enjoyed the video, and leave a positive comment in the box. I'll type out hashtag notification gang. That's how you get a shout out on this channel. So let's just get into this video.
Okay, and recording.
Okay. Now I could do an intro.
Don't show anything else.
Scissors?
Oh, lucky thing, scissors right there.
Thank you, my good mom. Oh shoot, not anymore.
Nikki.
Oh Lord, who teach you?
Hold on, wait a minute. Can I get it? Can I get it?
Thank you, my good mom. Okay.
Happy birthday and many more.
Oh my goodness! Okay, so y'all saw it. Did y'all see what I got? Did y'all? Oh, y'all see? Is it the right way? Yes, it's the right way. So I talk about space on, like, I don't have enough space on this phone, so I needed a new phone, or I needed a camera. So it was a birthday gift what I wanted so bad, and everybody's just like, oh, I can't get it until like a million months later. But like, I really wasn't expecting me to get this, and I just was saying thank you. I still love my sister, like, oh my gosh, she's my heart. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you what all comes inside this box, but I'll be raising it up to you because I don't want y'all to like. For one, it comes, well, I think it doesn't come with a bag, but it comes, like, I don't know if y'all see it, but it's a bag that's in it, like where you put the camera in. And I'm just going to open the box and show you what all features it has. So this is basically a view on the camera what I use. Yeah, but y'all be the review person, like. So this is obviously the thing which you put around your collar. I open it up. It's okay. But anyway, this is what you put around your collar or whatever. But I'm not a camera person. I mean, not a camera person, but I'm not like a person who's like, who's gonna be taking pictures. I'm not a picture person. I'm mostly a video person. So yeah, this is going to be solely used for my YouTube channel. So that's that. Sorry, lip gloss break. If you're in Nassau and you want a lip gloss like this, I love this lip gloss. First of all, I love this. Okay, I love this a long time. All you have to do, get at them. Okay, get at them. It comes with, I love this because it comes with like a quote. It says, thank you for purchasing a Tropicology. I think that's what it means, Tropicology. And then it comes like with a memory verse, and it's tied to a string. I love it. I love it. Y'all need lip gloss, okay? Y'all can get it delivered, you know. So what else comes in this? It comes with a UV filter. I don't know what this is, but this is what it comes with. Don't ask me what it does. I have to read manual, and it's so big, and I'm just like, what? I have to read that? Now y'all know my channel about lifestyle, so I'm gonna share everything with y'all. It also comes with a ultra 16 gig memory card or UHS card. Yeah, it comes with that. It comes with another one in case that one runs out. I don't know if these, I think it comes with it. I think so. It comes with this. I don't know what this is. If you know what this is, please tell me in the comments, please. I don't want to feel dumb, but yeah. Let me just put them back in there because they ain't bothering nobody. They ain't bothering you. So put it back. I'm just doing it by packages, so yeah. I think this, like, what you put on the camera, yeah, you put this on the camera. You put this on the camera, of course. Put this on the camera. And I think it can spin and stuff like that. And you can open it up, right? Yes, it's a Canon camera. No, I'm not clumsy. I got this. I got this. I'm just gonna put everything back to where I found it. It also comes with this. That too. It comes with a bag, a little bag to the side. I guess that's the tripod. Yes, it comes with a mini tripod, screen cleaner kit, screen protector, and SD card wallet. Oh, there's screen protector. Oh my god, I feel so dumb because I was like, what these for? These are the screen protectors, obviously. Screen protectors. Oh, I don't know if y'all saw that. Screen protectors. This is the mini tripod, and it extends. I hope I don't break this. Can you break it? Don't break it. But it extends. This is the cleaner, and they have Q-tips as well. Swabs. But this is the cleaner thingy. It doesn't say anything on it, so I think you could purchase it separately. I think so. The cleaner, obviously, like the cloth thing that you clean it with. And the SD card thingies. And swabs, look. The cotton swabs or whatever. Putting everything back. And for last, well, it's not really last, but yes, last. I would rather me showing you this last. Okay. Last but not least, the man or woman of the hour. This is like, I mean, y'all couldn't see my face, y'all just gonna see yawning. I haven't tried out this camera or anything, but this is how it looks. That's how it looks. And doesn't have to charge. I think it has to charge or something. I don't know. I'm getting this child toys, but I'm really excited to figure out how it works and stuff. I'm really excited because I'm gonna be recording this, and I think y'all gonna see me record a lot more. I am so sorry if not recording, but a lot of things come in. Check out the video is coming on Wednesday or Thursday. Like, I really thought it was my new inventory, but when I get my new inventory, I'm going to show y'all. Promise, I'm gonna show y'all. Promise. Something else to open up. Something that was long overdue. You remember my birthday, right? Yeah, this is the package. This is the dress that I was supposed to get for my birthday. The dress that I was supposed to wear for my birthday, but I'm gonna open it up for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna be opening this up. I'm not trying it on or anything. Probably like in a vlog, maybe. Woo! My nail. Oh, there's a tracking on and everything. Ooh, nice. This dress came from Rose Gal. They're not sponsoring this. But this dress came from Rose Gal. You can see it on the packaging. If you know this packaging, just comment I know this packaging or whatever. You could order this dress if you want to. You could order it, or any other dress, shirt, pants, or anything. They're not sponsoring this video, but maybe they should. Okay, it says style your curves, Rose Gal. I'm styling my curves. I'm styling my curves. Anyway, whatever. So this, ooh, this feels better than I thought, and it's longer than I thought. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's the back. Sorry, my bad. Okay. Ooh, is that? Ooh, is that? Ooh, hit it. Yes, this is my dress. Y'all might see this on me like a special event. I don't know what the special event gonna be, but y'all gonna see me wear it. Y'all gonna see me wear it, okay? And I promise y'all my inventory gonna be here shortly, but I only do in the Bahamas. But y'all gonna see what I'm going to be adding to my inventory. Stay tuned. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this back inside that. I don't really feel like messing she up. Concealed. End of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope that y'all stay safe during this time. And stuff are opening back up, like in the Bahamas, stuff are opening back up. I'm so excited. I'm like, gosh. But I'm really happy on everything that I've got, and stay tuned because there's more videos coming out. It's so Jameka. Bye.
Having the beans is that